Now, local news about local people. This is Newslink Indiana.
Good evening, I'm Chris Bavender. Thanks for joining us. New questions surrounding proposed renovations of Ball State University's football stadium. Newslink Indiana's Amanda Lentz has details on the battle on how $12 million should be spent.
Ball State football fans may see synthetic turf sooner than expected.
We want to be able to use the stadium and the turf in the summer and in the spring semesters for activities, for concerts and other kinds of events.
Once you've got the turf field, you can use it all the time.
Not all administrators agree a new turf will be installed. During an off-camera interview, Thomas Kinghorn, BSU Vice President of Business Affairs, told Newslink Indiana he had no plans to put turf on the field. But President Gora says she has the final say.
Well, I think as president I do.
Others in the Ball State community agree.
I think it also, if you have the field turf, it gives the local teams, Muncie Central, Muncie Southside, could play here.
As it stands, the turf war depends on one thing: money.
It makes the facility much more functional. We could host, as you suggested, high school games. You could have Metro football. We could have the band could practice out there. We could run intramural programs out there.
Until all the green is gathered, the Ball State football Cardinals will continue to graze in the grass.
We are determined to raise the $12 million, and I am determined that the turf will be in that renovation.
In Muncie, Amanda Lentz, Newslink, Indiana.
Stadium renovations are scheduled to be complete by the start of the 2006 season. A Randolph County dentist will spend the next 5 years in jail for growing marijuana. 53-year-old Paul Welch was charged with manufacturing a controlled substance and unlawful possession of registered firearms. Police arrested Welch and his 18-year-old son Alexander in June after police raided their home. Police found more than 200 marijuana plants in Welch's barn along with unregistered guns. After he is released, Welch will spend 4 years on probation. Now here's Carrie Hazley with a look at our forecast.
Thanks, Chris. Well, mostly cloudy skies will be the story for the forecast tonight, and cold temperatures. 23 degrees will be the overnight low temperature tonight, and we'll see a northwest wind from 4 to 11 miles per hour. Taking a look now at the forecast for tomorrow, becoming mostly sunny as we head throughout the day. 32 degrees will be tomorrow's high temperature and shifting winds to the southwest. And the forecast now for the weekend, 36 on Saturday with a rain-snow mix. Temperatures will fall all throughout the day on Sunday to a low temperature of 4. Chris?
Thanks, Carrie. That is Newslink Indiana. Join us at 6:27 tomorrow morning for more news and get local news about local people 24 hours a day at newslinkindiana.com.